Hey everybody, it's your trusted king of solar screens, Randy, on location right here in beautiful Pedregal, Sedona, League City. Oh my gosh. Just going to answer two quick questions, folks. I get asked all the time, hey Randy, how many screens does the king of solar screens do daily? All of our locations collectively, almost 500 a day, go from our warehouse to your windows. Me personally, I still do at least 100 every day. And this starts usually in March, maybe early April, and it typically ends the last day of October, so basically Halloween. And then we go down to a more modest, maybe 50 a day for each of their vehicles collectively, so probably more like 250 a day in the off season. That's telling you something. The quality, the price, it's all there. Now, of course, the other question is Randy, why do you keep wearing that hat? Well, I like a good spanking from my wife, but I don't want her being mad at me. And she told me if I ever come home with a sunburned neck, I'm going to be getting a whooping, but not the good kind. So, can't have that. So that's what we do out here, King of Solar Screens, every day, baby. Yeah.